Hey folks, the Fujifilm Instax Wide Evo is the latest instant camera to support Instax Wide Film, bringing hybrid functionality to a larger format. With its blend of digital and analog features, it sets itself apart from the Instax Wide 400, which was introduced just 6 months prior. While both cameras cater to instant photography enthusiasts, their differences make them suitable for distinct user preferences. Announced in January 2025, the Instax Wide Evo is priced at £319, making it a premium option in the Instax lineup. In contrast, the Instax Wide 400, which debuted in July 2024, is available for £129, less than half the price of the Wide Evo. The fundamental distinction between the two lies in their operation. The Instax Wide 400 is a purely analog instant camera, while the Wide Evo functions as a hybrid device that allows for digital image capture and printing on demand. For those who appreciate the simplicity of traditional instant photography, the Instax Wide 400 provides a straightforward experience. The camera operates as a classic point-and-shoot, producing instant prints without digital manipulation. This appeals to users who enjoy the unpredictability and nostalgic feel of analog photography. The Instax Wide Evo, on the other hand, offers significantly more creative control. As a hybrid camera, it captures digital images that can be reviewed, edited, and selectively printed. This prevents wasted film and allows users to print multiple copies of their favorite shots. Additionally, the Wide Evo can function as an instant printer, enabling users to print photos directly from their smartphones, much like the Instax Square Link, Mini Link, or Link Wide. Both cameras include selfie mirrors, but their implementations differ. The Wide 400 features a detachable close-up lens adapter with a built-in mirror, while the Wide Evo integrates the mirror directly into its front design. This minor variation is unlikely to be a deciding factor for most users, but it adds to the overall convenience of the Wide Evo. One of the standout features of the Instax Wide Evo is its 3.5-inch TFT LCD screen, which replaces the traditional viewfinder found on the Wide 400. This allows users to preview their shots and apply various film effects, lens filters, and styles before printing. The Wide Evo supports effects such as cinematic, date stamp, and collodion process, along with film color modifications like sky blue, amber, and monochrome. Instax claims that with the degree control dial, over 100,000 effect combinations are possible, enabling users to create unique images beyond standard instant photography. Another advantage of the Wide Evo is its lens design. It features Instax's widest angle lens to date, making it easier to capture expansive scenes and group shots. The Wide 400, in contrast, offers a landscape mode that adjusts focus to ensure distant subjects appear sharp. While both cameras cater to wide-format photography, the Wide Evo's hybrid nature provides more flexibility in composition and post-processing. Powering the two cameras also differs. The Instax Wide Evo is equipped with a rechargeable USB Type-C battery, capable of producing around 100 prints per charge. The Wide 400, however, relies on 4 AA batteries, which provide a similar 100-print lifespan but require manual replacement. Additionally, the Wide Evo includes internal storage for about 45 images and supports external microSD and microSDHC cards, whereas the Wide 400 lacks any digital storage functionality. Ultimately, choosing between these two cameras depends on individual preferences. The Instax Wide 400 is ideal for those who appreciate a traditional, fully analog instant camera without the added cost of digital features. On the other hand, the Instax Wide Evo is a compelling option for those who enjoy creative control, digital previews, and the ability to selectively print images. The added flexibility of smartphone printing further enhances its appeal. Before making a decision, it may be worth waiting for in-depth reviews to determine which camera best suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.